Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to share some tips with you on how to install door hardware. For this we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. On most door hardware they have a 2 3/4 or 2 3/8 setting. Make sure that you get an adjustable one or know the distance in your door. Before screwing everything together you want to go ahead and dry fit it to make sure everything fits properly. After you find out that everything fits properly, what I like to do is go ahead and leave this together and screw in the plunger. If you notice, I'm not using a drill on this. A lot of times people make the mistake of using a drill and over tightening these screws, which pinches the plunger. Make sure you do not over tighten, because you might actually strip out the screw too. After that's nice and snug, go ahead and put in the screws for the knob. What I like to do is put one in and just barely tighten it and then put the other in. That way you can pull the knob away from the door a little bit and peek in there to see where the other hole is. And after you get them started, take your Phillips head screwdriver and begin to tighten it down. A lot of times what people do is, since these are recessed in here just a little bit from the knob, they'll scratch their doorknob here. So you want to make sure you hold it at a little bit of an angle and try not to touch the metal on the metal, because it will leave some marks. Another thing you don't want to do here is over tighten these. When you over tighten these, they tend to pinch the door and it won't shut correctly. And you might not be able to twist the knob if you over tighten it. After you get that done, go ahead and twist. Make sure it's nice and easy twist. Make sure you're not rubbing anywhere on the plunger, and you're good to go. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just found out some tips on installing door hardware. Thanks for watching.